So dear students, in the previous lecture we talked about wholesale trade. So today we will, and retail trade also we talked about that what is retail trade. Today we will be talking about the types of retail trade. So retail trade means that when the goods are purchased in large quantities by the retailer and sold in small quantities. So it is known as what? Retail trade. So there are two types of retail trade. One is itinerant trade and the other one is fixed shop. Itinerant traders means traders that they are not having any fixed place of business, like hawkers, street traders. They are known as itinerant trades. Some of the characteristics of itinerant traders are small scale operation means they just have limited resources. They deal in consumer products like fresh fruits, vegetables, stationery, etc. Means they are consumer goods and they are used in our day-to-day life or daily use. They means daily use items they are. Then doorstep services, they provide goods at the doorstep of the consumers. They have no, as you all know that I told you that they have no fixed place to operate, so they do their business with limited stock only, means they do not keep a large stock of the goods. Means in small quantity they keep the goods. Then characteristics of itinerant traders are small scale operation, deal in consumer products as we have already discussed, doorstep service and limited stock. Now kinds of itinerant traders. Types are hawkers and paddlers, market traders, street traders or pavement traders. Means street traders are also known as pavement traders and cheap checks. Now what are hawkers and paddlers? Hawkers are the traders who carry their products on carts or bicycles. जो कार्ड्स और बाइसिकल्स वगैरह होते हैं ना, आपने नॉर्मली देखा होगा कि उन पे जो है वो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को लेके एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे घूमते हैं. एंड सिमिलरली पैडलर्स एज द वर्ड already indicates that they carry their products on their back or head or in baskets or shoulder bags, and जैसे पैदल चलते हैं they move like that on foot. So despite it is one of the oldest form of retailers in the marketplace and they are prevalent even today also. You must have found selling vegetables, fruits, snacks, ice creams. These people are hawkers and peddlers. And they are small producers or petty traders and they deal in products of low price and non-standardized products. So their reliability in terms, if we talk about their reliability in terms of quality and price, it is a major concern because the products are normally not standardized. They are generally seen carrying merchandise on their hats and they use bicycles also, a hand cart or cycle rickshaw. And they also go at the doorstep of the customers by constantly moving from one place to another. They are normally found in the residential areas, place of exhibitions or meals and even outside the schools. आपने स्कूल के बाहर भी अपने देखे होंगे hawkers and paddlers को. Now we will talk about the market traders. So what are market traders? They are general merchants who operate their shops at different places on fixed days. मीन्स फिक्स डेज पे जैसे आपने देखा होगा पटरी बाजार, मंडे मार्केट, देन ट्यूसडे मार्केट, आपने इन सब के बारे में सुना होगा. तो नॉर्मली ये फिक्स्ड डे में फिक्स जो है अपना काम करते हैं. एंड दे यूजुअली डील इन वन पर्टिकुलर लाइन ऑफ मर्केंडाइज. जैसे कोई पर्सन है वो सिर्फ फुटवेयर में डील कर रहे हैं, कोई फैब्रिक्स में डील कर रहे हैं, some are dealing in ready-made garments or toys or utensils. So usually people belonging to lower income group, they prefer to go in such markets. वो ऐसे मार्केट्स में जाते हैं. These traders generally, now street traders, these traders generally arrange their articles at busy street corners or near the railway stations. You must have seen near the railway stations people sitting by there. And they are the small retailers and they are normally seen at the places where huge population is there. Means floating population like railway stations, cinema halls. Here you must be seeing that lot of population is there, huge population is there. So they normally appear at those places. And they generally sell consumer things of like general use such as pen, eatables, newspapers, magazines, etc. So unlike the market traders, they usually are available at the same place for a longer period of time. बहुत लंबे समय तक ये लोग यहाँ पे दिखाई दे सकते हैं आपको. Now cheap checks, they are small retailers and दे हायर स्मॉल शॉप्स फॉर अ शॉर्टर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. आपने बहुत बार देखा होगा साड़ी की 1-1.5 महीने के लिए साड़ी की सेल लगाना, या फॉर अ 15 डेज साड़ी सेल लगाना, या गारमेंट्स की सेल लगाना, जैकेट्स की सेल लगाना. So they are known as cheap checks. Depending upon the scope of sale, they keep shifting from one locality to another. They deal in consumer items. They provide services like repairing watches, shoes, buckets, etc., and they move from one area to another. They also sell goods in temporary sheds during the festival times. So, itinerant traders, if you see at a glance, they are hawkers and paddlers, market traders, street traders, pavement traders, cheap checks. They are all itinerant traders. Now, let us talk about the fixed shop retailers. Fixed shop retailers are the retailers who carry on the business by maintaining a fixed place of business to sell their goods. एक जगह पे fixed place होती है इनकी जहाँ से इतना गुड को सेल करते हैं. And as the word indicates, fixed place, fixed shop. So they do not move from one place to another. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ही move नहीं करते हैं. Now depending upon the size, they are of two types: small scale and large scale retailers. Now fixed features क्या है fixed shop retailers के? They have a lot of goods compared to the itinerant traders. It means ये large quantity of goods रखते हैं, large stock रखते हैं. अगर हम इनको compare करें itinerant से तो, and consumer goods में deal करते हैं, and consumer goods can be durable or non-durable goods. They have greater credibility in the minds of consumers as they provide services like home delivery, guarantee, repairs, credit facility. तो credibility भी ज़्यादा होती है. Now types of fixed shops दो तरह की होती है, स्मॉल स्केल एंड लार्ज स्केल. स्मॉल स्केल की अगर हम बात करें तो जनरल स्टोर, स्पेशलिटी शॉप, स्ट्रीट स्टॉल्स, होल्डर्स, देन सेकंड हैंड गुड शॉप, ये सारे के सारे हमारे स्मॉल स्केल रिटेलर्स में आते हैं. स्मॉल स्केल रिटेलर्स, as the name indicates, they run a business on small scale and deal in limited line of goods only. जनरल स्टोर्स, they आपके घर के आसपास भी अपने जनरल स्टोर्स आते हैं, बहुत देखे होंगे कि they keep the goods like groceries, stationery, oil, etc. And consumer can buy most of the requirements at one place only. एक ही जगह पे बहुत सारी चीजें इनको मिल जाती हैं. And they also provide free home delivery, credit facilities, etc. to their regular customers. Features, if we talk about the features of general stores, they stock variety of goods for day-to-day requirement, means जो रोज की डेली की उसकी चीजें होती हैं वो रखते हैं, variety of goods. And they are open for long hours based on the convenience of the customer. जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि आपके घर के आसपास जनरल स्टोर्स होते हैं तो वो सुबह 9 to रात को 10 बजे तक भी खुलते हैं. Now features क्या हैं इसके? They provide credit facilities to regular customers and they are located near residential area. They provide services like home delivery, etc. also. Now specialty shops. Specialty shops means they deal in a single or certain line of goods only. They are also known as single line stores. कि अगर कोई किड्स वेयर में ही कर रहा है, कोई कंप्यूटर की शॉप भी है, किसी की बुक शॉप है, लाइक दिस. फीचर्स कैन स्पेशलाइज इन वन प्रोडक्ट ओनली. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि किसी की किड्स की शॉप है तो इट विल कीप ओनली द किड्स गुड्स ओनली और प्रोडक्ट्स ओनली, या बुक्स की है तो वो सिर्फ बुक्स ही रखेगा, इस तरीके से. स्ट्रीट स्टॉल होल्डर्स, दे आर जनरली लोकेटेड एट स्ट्रीट क्रॉसिंग्स और द मेन स्ट्रीट पे या स्ट्रीट क्रॉसिंग पे आपको दिख जाते हैं ये लोग, और डिस्प्ले करते हैं अपने गुड्स ऑन अ टेबल स्टैंड और बाय फिक्सिंग अ शेल्फ ऑन द वॉल. Then they deal in cheaper goods like soft drinks, toys, hosiery items, and attract floating customers. जो आने जाने वाले customers होते हैं normally उनको attract करते हैं. And they operate in a very small area and found in high customer traffic area, means जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा customers होते हैं वहाँ पे ये found होते हैं. Second hand good shops, they आपको नाम से ही पता लग रहा होगा that they deal in second hand good shops, goods only. जैसे सेकेंड हैंड बुक्स हो गई, फर्नीचर हो गया, क्लोथ्स हो गए, यूज्ड कार्स एंड अदर हाउस होल्ड आइटम्स. एंड दे आर यूजुअली फाउंड इन बिजी स्ट्रीट्स. दे आर हेल्पफुल फॉर द लो इनकम ग्रुप, जो नहीं खरीद सकते हैं, जो मतलब लो इनकम ग्रुप के लोग होते हैं, वही ज़्यादातर सेकेंड हैंड शॉप से परचेजिंग करते हैं. एंड दे ऑल्सो कीप एंटीक आइटम्स एंड आइटम्स ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल वैल्यू. सो इन दिस वे these are the small scale retailers, and we talked about itinerant traders here also. Thank you. Here we complete our lecture. In the next lecture we will talking about the large scale retailers. Thank you.